Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save passwords with LastPass step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the LastPass website. Click on the Get Started button. Select Create an account if you're a new user. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a strong master password. After entering your information, click on Create Account. Check your email for a verification message from LastPass. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once verified, log into your LastPass account. Download the LastPass browser extension for your preferred browser. Follow the installation prompts to add the extension. Once installed, click on the LastPass icon in your browser toolbar. Log in using your email address and master password. To save a password, navigate to the website where you want to store the credentials. Enter your username and password on that website. When prompted by LastPass, click on Save Site. Fill in the details if necessary and confirm. If you need to access a saved password, click on the LastPass icon again. Select Vault from the drop-down menu. Here you can view all your saved passwords. To autofill a password, visit the login page of the website. Click on the LastPass icon, then select the appropriate login. LastPass will automatically fill in your credentials. If you ever need to change a password, log into the site. Update your password and click on the LastPass icon. Choose Update Site to save the new credentials. To manage your passwords, go back to your vault. You can edit or delete any saved entry as needed. For added security, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. Now you can securely manage and store your passwords with LastPass. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.